Do you know many people are having trouble with their Epson EcoTank ET-2850 suddenly stopping to print? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Check connections. Step 1. Check the printer connection. Ensure all cables are securely plugged into both the power source and the computer. Step 2. Restart printer. Step 2. Restart the printer. Turn it off, wait a few minutes, and then turn it back on to clear temporary issues. Step 3. Check ink levels. Step 3. Check ink levels. Verify the ink levels and replace any empty or low cartridges with genuine Epson ink. Step 4. Run maintenance. Step 4. Run printer maintenance. Clean the print heads and check for any clogs using the printer's maintenance tools. Step 5. Update drivers. Step 5. Update printer drivers. Visit the Epson website and download the latest drivers for the Epson EcoTank ET-2850. By following these steps, your Epson EcoTank ET-2850 should be back to printing smoothly. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Epson users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.